Hi everyone. Have you ever wondered how a single hacker can take down a multi-billion-dollar company or send billions of spam emails in a single day? They don't do it alone. They use an invisible army known as a botnet. The word botnet comes from combining robot and network. In the cybersecurity world, we often call these infected devices zombies. Imagine your computer, your smartphone, or even your smart fridge being hijacked to do a criminal's bidding, all while you're using it to check your email or watch a movie. Today, we're going to dive deep into how these botnets work, the damage they cause, and how you can protect yourself. A botnet isn't built overnight. It follows a very specific three-stage life cycle. First, there's infection. This is the recruitment phase. Attackers look for vulnerabilities, maybe a link in a phishing email, an unpatched software bug, or a smart camera with a default password. Once the malware is in, the device is officially a bot. Second is the connection. The infected device calls home to a command and control server, or C2. It waits quietly, barely using any resources, so you don't even know it's there. Finally, we have execution. This is the attack phase. The bot herder, that's the attacker, sends a single command to the entire network of millions of devices to perform a coordinated strike. This is where the real damage happens. Now, how does one person control millions of devices without getting caught? There are two main ways. The traditional way is the client-server model. All bots talk to one central server. It's easy to manage, but if law enforcement takes down that one server, the whole botnet dies. To counter this, hackers developed the peer-to-peer, or P2P model. In this setup, there is no central hub. Every bot talks to its neighbor bots. This makes the botnet incredibly resilient. It's like a hive mind. Even if you cut off one part, the rest of the network keeps functioning and can even heal itself. What exactly do these bot herders do with their armies? Let's look at some famous examples. First is the DDoS attack. By flooding a website with fake traffic, they can crash it entirely. Think of the Mirai botnet in 2016. It took over millions of IoT devices like webcams and routers to take down major platforms like Netflix and Twitter. Then there's cryptojacking. Instead of stealing your data, they steal your electricity and processing power to mine cryptocurrency. The Smamanra botnet did exactly this, infecting over 500,000 servers and making millions of dollars for its creators while slowing down businesses worldwide.
And we can't forget the modern threats. As of late 2025 and early 2026, the Aisuru botnet has become a major concern. It has infected nearly 4 million devices globally, specifically targeting the infrastructure of AI companies. It's capable of hypervolumetric attacks that move at speeds we've never seen before.
So, how do you know if your device is a zombie in someone else's army? Watch for these red flags. Is your internet suddenly very slow? Is your computer fan spinning loudly even when you aren't doing anything? Are your friends receiving weird messages from you? To stay safe, follow 3 simple rules. 1. Never leave the default password on your router or smart devices. 2. Keep your software updated. Those patches are your best defense. And 3. Use a reliable firewall and antivirus to catch check-in attempts before they start. Botnets are powerful, but they rely on our negligence to grow. By securing your devices, you're not just protecting yourself, you're helping make the entire internet safer. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more cybersecurity insights. Would you like a step-by-step guide on how to secure your home IoT devices? Let me know in the comments below. Stay safe out there.